Welcome to a quick tutorial on ShowRunnerHUB scene setting and navigation. You'll see we're currently in our area list view. It's going to show us all our areas, their locations, what the current scene is, and current occupancy status. You'll also see what the tag is for that area. So if we look at 101 classroom, we can go ahead and see what the current information is, the status, last occupied, last vacant, last scene change. Go over to controls, and this is where we have the ability to change the scene. Simply click on the scene you'd like. If you want to make any changes to that scene, you can grab the slider and drag it to whatever value you'd like it to be. You can also simply just click on the value itself and make changes that way. Once you've created the scene, go ahead and hold it down. That'll save the new scene. So scene 2 is now changed, and you'll see we can verify that. Once you've selected the scene you like, go ahead and close out of there. And you'll see on the settings gear, you'll have some more granular control. So you're able to see integrations, you're able to see loads affiliated with the area, occupancy here. You can also do some more further control with scene changes. And there you have it, ShowRunnerHUB.